Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by opening tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, so to disable it, hit the same shortcut again. You can also go into settings, click on display, and scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. This way you can turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!